As doctors, we need to take care of our health. The following videos are about my trip to the Everest Base Camp.
Things to take on this trip will include having a beanie cap, having gloves which can take suboptimal temperature, having woolen socks, having a baklava that you need to wear because you will need to wear a baklava this way on the trip. There's a lot of dust, you need to wear the baklava, having a poncho for the rain, having thermals to wear, and then having two types of jacket. One simple jacket that you can take, and you can take a buffer jacket which you will need there, a good buffer jacket. I took one from North Face, a lining for your sleeping bag. Besides that, you need waterproof sweatpants, at least one, and one trekking pants. You can take a pair of shorts because it's quite hot in the start, two full sleeve t-shirts, and you should have these proper shoes, trekking shoes. Now the shoes that you take, they have to be one size bigger than your size, because when you start moving, you should have space for your feet to move. If your shoes are just fitting, you will get injured as the shoe hits your toes. But the problem is that when you wear a shoe which is a size bigger, then there can be called shearing of the sole. So you need to wear two socks. And this was one of the best advices that I got. So you wear one sock, which is a simple one, and on top you wear a woolen sock. So you should wear two socks. This is for the stuff that you need to take as far as clothes are concerned. Then you should have polyfax, you should have gauze, you should have alcohol swabs with you, you should have Saniplast, or you should have tape with you, sunblock, Vaseline, moisturizer. I had mouth ulcers, I had taken something for that, Somogel. You should have a painkiller, a muscle relaxant like Brufen with you, some Voltaren gel, and something for fever, Tylenol, some antibiotics, and something for the stomach like Smecta or Enterogermina. And everybody takes half a tablet of Acetazolamide, half in the morning, half in the evening, 2 days before the start of the journey. That is extremely important. You should have some antibiotics with you as well as some anti-allergics. Then you should have wet pipes with you, you should have liquid soap with you should have a good water bottle with you, vitamin C tablets, and if needed, a knee brace. And I also took this cap. This was very good. I bought this cap from Nepal only to wear, and this I used to wear for sun protection, as well as once we went on the heights, I put the hoodie on top and then wear this cap on top. And this was really saved me from the cold weather.
8 doctors from Karachi decided to take the trip of a lifetime. Welcome at Kathmandu airport and Kathmandu by night.
So these are the bags that we are taking with us, and this bag carries around 11 to 12 kg. It can't be more than 12 kgs. So my weight is around 11.5 kgs, and the Sherpa carries this from one location to the other location for us. And my backpack, that is around 4.5 kg, which I carry myself.
Helicopter ride from Kathmandu to Lukla. Lukla airport, the area where the helicopters land and take off. Lunch at Lukla. Staple diet of Nepal, dal bhat or rice and lentils.